As this video is tell you how to replace the whole screen picture to Acura TL picture, or just let the screen know any picture. The first thing I prepare a blank transparent picture and a TL picture and copy it to the USB. Then I connect the USB to the device. After connect the USB, then let's go to the file manager. And the important step, tap the USB on the tap here and copy it to the internal storage. Then back to home, tap this position and tap internal and choose the picture, then tap here, okay, set it. And if you don't want any picture here, tap here and choose the transparent picture, tap here, okay, the picture was removed.